If your 2014 Nissan Sentra air conditioning is blowing warm air, a faulty pressure switch might be the culprit. This sensor is a common failure point that prevents the compressor from engaging to protect the system. Before you grab your tools, let's verify the diagnosis. Start by disconnecting your battery and checking the cooling system fuses to rule out simple electrical failures. You will need a basic wrench set, your replacement sensor, and a rag to catch any tiny amount of refrigerant. The switch features a Schrader valve, so swapping it quickly prevents significant refrigerant loss. Doing this yourself saves you significant shop labor costs and requires no professional evacuation equipment. As you can see, the parts cost is minimal compared to the professional labor fees charged by most mechanics. Once installed, reconnect your battery and start the engine to confirm the compressor clutch engages correctly. Always ensure your replacement part matches the exact OEM specifications for your specific VIN. Remember that working safely is the most important part of any automotive repair. If this guide helped you fix your Sentra, please like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.